Hey guys, it's Sean and
Hello, everybody!
yes,
Yay! Yay! Yay!
if you're new to the channel and subscribe to my channel and leave a like in the comment section below. Yeah, subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna play something more interesting today because something, you know what I mean today. So, I'm Philippines. I'm Philippines, guys. You cannot talk English in here. Nobody talking English, guys. So I'm moving this camera and that camera to there, and look at there, and hey.
Yay!
Let's start recording. It's gonna be black. It's not gonna be, it's gonna be, yeah, guys. Yeah, yeah, guys. What's up? My mouse. Motion change. Yeah. It's looking more. We do the edge. I'm up to
Hello!
the edge. Hi, everyone! Sean here. And today we're gonna be playing something. What is your yes, no. Yes, thank you. Just arrest me. Yes. Guys, let's grab some guns. Let's grab some guns here. I don't know, it's lagging. No, I got arrested. Wait, who just arrested? Who just arrested me? Who just arrested me? Uh-oh, now I'm in my cell. Why? I'm gonna poop in my pooping section or my bathroom or something. Yep. I'm gonna move. Huh. Wait, this the corner yet? This the corner. I'm gonna be glitching out and today guys I'm glitching out. And no, need to work. Yeah, we're watching Power Rangers right now. Yeah, we're watching Power Rangers, guys. So let me move my camera again because you could get 4.4. All prisoners must be in the cell. Out. So let's. Yeah, I just get arrested, you know. The thing's not glitching anymore, but it's really good. No, yes, good thing. Yeah. Breakfast, okay, let's breakfast. Breakfast. Let's get breakfast and my yeah. Let me do a breakfast. Look, my shirt is eating my breakfast. So today, guys, I'm done with the breakfast. I think you're done. Yeah, it's an escape time. It's a feather. Like a baby, rock a roll.
Thanks again for your help. But Red Button, I need to get going.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do the next time you win a monster? Well, I guess. I didn't know you didn't really know. Yeah, but I have to try. Now. depending on us. So let's beat these things.
Kuya, ano daw kay Kun? Sa 8 mo na yung butang.
On Philippines. Yeah, well, I need something. I need something keep going. Hey, yes, thank you. What the? A glitch. Yeah, up, yeah. And I just
Hindi, nakapatay yung
voila.
matuna.
My mouse is moving like, see that there? What the shit? Lost it for the guy. Be quiet. Quiet, I said. Yeah. Talk English, I cannot understand you.
What did you say?
I cannot understand you. Last time I said talk English.
Just like you.
I don't know. So you can glitch on. You can drag the first person. You have to drag the first person quickly. Doing this. Oh no, that was very, very close. Jaka. Damn. Damn. Pick up. I think it's a criminal. I think it's criminal. Oh no, it's a criminal. No! 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 It's your time, right? Yes, it's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. No! I could be glitching on again. And yeah, see this shisha. Oh! This was no! No! If I
Nahay, sinibat. Ikaw, hindi ko ko talaga. Bakit maputusan ka? Paulong ka doon.
Pikachu.
Paulong ka doon siya. May TV ba ka? Paulong ka. Bunaran yun. Yung sa akin, sa eskwelahan yun.
Kung papa kaya yun.
I'm gonna be ending the video. I'm gonna end the video. Oh.
Ako yun, yung sa ako.
I'm
Ako
gonna
hindi mga
end.
sulod sa to. Kaya pa niya
I'm gonna end
sa
the
inyo.
video today.
Raymond. Magulwat na matalsok mo. Taro, kaharang tayo ka.
Wait lang, tapos na. Oh.